let's assume this is your small man, and let's also assume that this is the cap of the small man. Now, one thing most men don't know is that anytime this area, the tip or the cap of the small man becomes super sensitive, extremely sensitive, very, very sensitive, automatically your small man can never last in the other room. Anytime it enters the field, it will definitely, get tired so early. So in this video, what I intend to do is that I am going to show you one simple thing you can do to decrease the sensitivity, the oversensitivity around this area. Because if at the end of the day you don't do anything about this area, automatically you can take all the medications in this world, still you can fall. Your small man can never go beyond 1 minute on the field. So you will see that in the football match, he will only be the person being substituted, whilst other small men are still on the field playing and making their teams very, very proud. But whilst yours will always be substituted, because this area of the small man is super sensitive. This is ATS Secrets of Health TV, and I welcome you to this episode. And please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if this happens to be the very first time you are watching us, and kindly click onto the notification bell icon, select all, so that anytime we come your way with videos such as this one, you'll be the very first person to get notified. By the way, let me drink something, small water from the small man. Wow, waters from small men are very, very good. Now, someone is going to ask, how are we going to decrease the oversensitivity around this area? It is very simple. Let me introduce you to something. You see this item or this ingredient, it is called cloves. Here in Ghana we call it pepper. What is wrong? Can you put the camera on them? You see the birds are, I don't know whether something has happened. Maybe one of them has kicked the bucket, I don't know, or they are just playing. Those of you who are knowledgeable in animal kingdom, you can let us know what is wrong with them. But I hope they are not disturbing us, because no problem. Let's go back to our topic. All right, so like I said, this is cloves, and we are going to use the cloves to reduce the oversensitivity of this area. Because like I said, if the sensitivity in this area is not managed, it's not decreased, the small man can never last on the field. This is called cloves, CLOVES, cloves. Here in Ghana we call it pepper. The Hausa people in Nigeria and in Ghana call it kanafuri. How are you going to do it? Fine, just get a handful. This is a handful. Most people don't know a handful. This is a handful. Just get a handful of cloves like this. Okay, having gotten the handful, you can then transfer this handful of the cloves in a small bottle. But I will pray that you don't use plastic bottle, but rather use glass bottle, silver bottle. If there is silver bottle, you can use it. You can use ceramic, any container. In fact, you don't necessarily have to use bottle. Any cup, whether it is cup, a cylinder, whatever. Just transfer the handful of the cloves in it, and then you pour onto it about, let's say, 500 ml of what? Of water. It could be either hot water or normal water, but just if you want it very fast, use hot water, a very hot water. 500 ml, you pour it onto it, close it, and then let it soak in the water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your clove juice is ready. Your close what juice is what? Is ready. Having done that, now this is how you're going to do it. So after 24 hours, in the morning when you wake up and you finish taking your bath or whatever, then you just get your cotton wool. I hope you know cotton, yes, cotton wool. Just dip the cotton wool, just pour out a little. You can just pour some of the clove water in the cup, in the crown cork, like this. I hope you understand. Then you dip your cotton wool inside the what? The cloves, and then you can then rub it at the basis of your small man, like this. When you dip it in the cotton wool, then you can just, you know, apply it on the tip of the small man, the cap of the small man. I hope you understand. Let me drink something. Waters from this small man is unique. Go and try it. Maybe our ladies will tell us when the small man, you know, brings out water. This water is different because it is coming from the small man. You understand? So you just, apply it on the small man. Within 1 minute, 2 minutes, it will get dried. Then you are good to go. You can just then prepare yourself, wear whatever you want to wear, and go to work. In the evening, okay, in the evening too, you repeat the same thing. So you have to be doing it morning and evening, morning and evening, morning and evening, until you begin to see changes. But I will prefer you continue to do it for at least, 3 weeks, getting to 1 month, morning and evening, morning and evening, morning and evening. And it is not only going to, reduce the oversensitivity of the small man, but it is also going to, help you to draw a lot of blood into the small man. Therefore, when it gets onto the field, it will be able to, perform its duties with no, difficulty. Very, very simple. This video, only the men who know will know or will understand the import of this video. Kindly leave any comment, any suggestion you want us to talk about, any health topic you want us to talk about in the comment area. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Click onto the notification bell icon, select all, so that you get our next video. I will see you once again in my next one, and until then, have a nice day and take good care of yourself. Let me drink small from my small man. Bye.